It's IBC 2022 is the last day, and I'm here with Media Links in Hall 1. And I'm here speaking to Al to find out what's been going on. But before we get into detail about IBC News, Media Links, give us an elevator pitch.
Excellent. So Media Links is a global provider of carrier-grade IP transport solutions. We've been involved with major sports venues, events since early 90s, and our systems are seen all around the world, transporting in many different ways the highest value content that there is. And we're excited to be here at IBC again.
Yeah, absolutely. We're all excited to be back. Yeah. Although actually on day 4, probably a little bit excited to be going home. But let's move on. So you must have some news for IBC.
Definitely. So obviously we're happy to reconnect and talk about our complete portfolio of products that basically cut across the range of all of the content needs our customers have. But here at the show in particular, we're talking about the new 4K JPEG XS version of our Edge gateway device, the MDP3020 Max.
Okay, and give me some outstanding, what makes it different? What's improved?
Well, absolutely, happy to share it. So, as you know, a gateway sits at the edge and takes traditional video, audio, data formats, and then encapsulate it into IP, transports it, and then you get all of that audio,
wherever you want
video out on the other end.
Yeah.
And so what we have is a version now that has 2 4K UHD services capable using JPEG XS compression.
And what are the benefits of that to the end user, to the customer?
Basically, so one of the key aspects is that the MDP3020 Max is a small footprint box gateway, half a rack unit.
Yeah.
It's highly flexible in the way it can be configured. It's completely compatible with the rest of our product line, so it can work in a standalone, booked-in kind of situation, all the way up to a distributed and jointly managed and provisioned part of a wide network. The JPEG XS aspect of it for the 4K allows for the ultra-low compression benefits that JPEG XS brings to the industry.
Yeah.
And it also allows us to marry that with a completely independent data channel and also integral frame sync capability. So just like our other
other markets as well, not just markets, but other areas of the industry. It might broaden the amount of people that are interested in your products.
Well, as we see, sports is becoming very important, or is very important, and we're seeing more and more sports venues tapping into the global market need for sports content. Right? So, as where perhaps in the past for only first tier content venues were really tapped for fiber and for that more robust experience. Now we're seeing that expand globally across more tiers of sports venues, universities. There's a lot of benefits to that. Another aspect that we're seeing a real benefit for our Edge devices is the data channel capability. We're seeing customers use that in conjunction with our development and our deployment of our hit list data capability, so that they have very transparent connections between different parts of their network with no packet loss, proving it to be really valuable in regards to their ability to have very low latency and very low impact to any of their content, including data.
And is this available now? Can people?
It's available. The
shipping,
the 4K UHD version. We're just checking a few things on the making sure that all the boxes don't have dust on it. But other than that, we're shipping. And one of the things that in this crazy world that we have with global supply issues, we've been very fortunate in working with our suppliers to have the ability to ensure that we got the components. So for the majority of our product line, I would say
you're okay.
You're okay. We're okay.
And of course, I've just said, should we keep an eye on this for maybe some future developments? I think, we've got a roadmap, have we, on this?
There's always a roadmap, right? In this business, you have to keep current with the developing business requirements, which drive the technology adoption, right?
Brilliant.
And that's true across everything. And the key, a key point to make, to keep in mind is that, you know, we're committed to ensuring that our product line, regardless of updates, is always interoperable through the different generations, so that customers that have used our product for a while can, through the use of the of our network management software, the EMS, can ensure that none of that is orphaned, that their workflows
no wasted
can
investment.
work. You got it.
Yeah,
I think that's
very
key.
important, and for the planet.
Yes, and a very, very good point.
There you go. Thank you very much, Al.
I appreciate it.
So if people want to know more, can you remind us of the website?
Certainly, it's www.medialinks.com.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.
Appreciate it.
And
Thank you.
for everything else that we've done at IBC 2022, please visit the website kitplus.com.